Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Persian ivy my heart, a captivating and elegant plant species that adds a touch of green beauty to your botanical collection. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Persian ivy, scientifically known as Hedera colchica, my heart is a cultivar celebrated for its lush, heart-shaped leaves and vigorous growth. This ivy variety is a hardy and evergreen climbing plant, showcasing its heart-shaped foliage and shades of deep green. An interesting fact about my heart is its adaptability to various conditions, making it a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor settings. Its heart-shaped leaves add a touch of elegance to gardens, balconies, or interior spaces. While Persian ivy is primarily cultivated for ornamental purposes, traditional medicinal uses of certain ivy species include potential anti-inflammatory and cough-suppressant properties. However, it's essential to approach medicinal uses with caution, as specific varieties of ivy may contain compounds that can be toxic if ingested. As for nutrient values, ivies are not typically consumed for nutritional purposes. In the garden, Persian ivy can serve as an excellent companion plant, providing ground cover, reducing soil erosion, and potentially deterring pests native to regions around the Black Sea, including parts of Iran. Persian ivy has become a beloved choice for its aesthetic appeal and versatility in landscaping. They thrive in well-draining soil with indirect sunlight. Ivy plants are relatively low maintenance and require regular watering, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Maintaining a consistent temperature and providing occasional fertilization during the growing season are crucial for their well-being. Persian ivy my heart adapts well to various indoor conditions, making it an ideal choice for plant enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of plants. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your plant collection thrive, and may your encounters with Persian ivy my heart bring green beauty and natural elegance to your botanical adventures. Farewell, and happy gardening.